Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So today I'm starting new that is lesson the prose. So what is the lesson name? The parable of talents. The parable of talents. That is for fifth standard. This is very interesting lesson, children. So you can see here the master. So he selected some that is the workers, and he gave his property or the money to him, and to do it double. So we can see what the workers did here. Okay, children, did you understand what I told now? So shall I start the lesson? So this is extracted from the Bible. So this lesson, this is a very important lesson which is extracted from the Bible, taken from the Bible. The parable of the talents. So talents means intelligence, how you show it. So for it is as if a man going on a journey summoned his slaves and entrusted his property to them. To one gave 5 talents, to another 2, to other 1, to each according to his ability. So you can see. So he selected 5, that is the most trusted people. So here the workers, for example, the owner was going on a journey. So here the man who was the owner, he was going for the journey. So he thought that if I did not come for the journey, so what I have burned, it may be wasted. So I cannot keep the money like that, okay. So what he did, the slaves, he gave to his slaves. He selected 5 slaves. He selected 5 slaves among many, and he gave the talents, that is the money. Talents means he gave the money to double it. So for the first slave, see, 5 slaves he selected, to another 2, to another 1. So to one he gave 5 talents. First slave he gave, first slave he gave 5 talents. For second slave, so you can get 2 talents. To second slave he gave 2 talents. 2 talents. To other he gave, third one he gave 1 to each according to his ability. So he distributed 5 talents. So here there are 3. He selected 3 slaves among the very intelligent. He selected 3 slaves. So one slave he gave 5 bags of money. You know, in the olden days how they were keeping the money. So he gave the slaves 5 talents. Talents means money. Talents means money. So for the second slave he gave 2 bags of money, and for the third slave he gave 1 bag. Why did he give? He gave this money just to double it, to invest this money and give him the double amount of what he has given them. What now they have to show their sincerity. The slaves had to show their sincerity by making the money double. Now we can see who were the intelligent slaves here. So here, so according to their ability he gave the money. So where the master was going, he was going on a journey. Then he went away. The one who has received the 5 talents went off at once and traded with them and made 5 more talents. The first slave. So here the first slave, how much bags of money he got? He got 5 bags. So what he did at once, when he got the money, immediately he traded. He put that money on the trade and he made 5 more bags of money. 5 more bags he made. How many bags were there with him? He had 5. And he traded, he put that money on the trade and he got 5 more talents. Now how much he had? 10. Now how much he had? 10 bags of money. He has doubled the money. Now he can show that he was an intelligent. Now how he has shown? Now you can see he was a very intelligent slave because he has doubled the amount of the master. Next. The one who had received the 5 talents went off at once and traded with them and made 5 more talents. In the same way, the one who had 2 talents made 2 more talents, but the one who had received the 1 talent went off and dug the hole in the ground and hid his master's money. After a long time, the master of those slaves came and settled account with them. So what happened? The second slave got how many bags of money? He got 2 bags of money. So what he did, this person also, this slave also, he also put that money on the trade and he got 2 more bags of money. So he has doubled the money. Now he has 4 bags of money, 4 talents. So the third slave, the master gave him only 1 bag according to his ability. What the slave did? he did not invest this money. He did not invest this money on any throne. Instead of investing, he dug the ground and kept that money and closed it. He dug it in the ground where you have mud. He dug it in the ground and put that bag of money in the ground, and he closed that. So we'll see why did he do that. So after many months, the master came from his journey. Now when the master came from his journey, he was ready to ask about his money. So everyone you are eager. So when you give someone amount, they should give you back. So here even the person was very also very eager to ask. So here I told the second slave who got 2 bags of money, he doubled. But the third slave, he got 1 bag of money. He did not double it. Instead of that, he digged it in the ground. So what happened? After the journey, the master came back. After the journey, who came back? The master came back and he asked all the slaves, so I have given you money. What have you done with the money? So here, the first slave told master, so what you gave the money, I have invested that money in the trade. 5 bags, and I have doubled that money. Now he repaid how many bags? 10 bags. So the master was very happy here of the cleverness, because the first slave was very clever. So he has invested how much? The 5 more. So the master was very happy with the first slave. Next, for the second slave, what the master did? Now the second slave was also ready. When the master called the second slave, so even he told that, master, you gave me 2 bags of talent. So I have invested and I have earned 2 more bags. So now he was giving how many bags? The 4 bags of talents. 4 bags of talents to whom? For whom? For the master. The master was also very happy with the second slave. So then the one who had received the 5 talents came forward, bringing 5 more talents, saying, master, you handed over to me 5 talents. See, I have made 5 more talents. His master said to him, well done, good and trustworthy slave. You have been trustworthy in few things. I will put you in charge of many things. So here I told you, what the first slave did was very interesting, and who was happy? The master was very happy, and he told that you will be rewarded, and I'll make you what? Trustworthy. You are a trustworthy slave. You have been trustworthy in few things. I will put you in charge. He told you that I'll give you in charge of some other things also. So here both the slave was also happy and the master was also happy. With the 2 talents also came forward, saying, Master, you handed over to me 2 talents. See, I have made 2 more talents. His master said to him, well done, good and trustworthy slave. You have been trustworthy in few things. I will put you in charge of many things. Enter into the joy of your master. So what here even the master was very happy with the second slave, because he has invested not 2 more talents, that is the 2 more bags of money. So here what the master told, so he told, I am very happy with you, so I will give you some in charges, so you can enjoy the joy, you can accompany me in the joy, and you can also enjoy with me. Who told? The master told. Then the one who had received the 1 talent also came forward, saying, Master, I knew that you were a harsh man, repaying when you did not sow, and gathering when you did not scatter seed. So I was afraid, and I went and hid your talent in the ground. Here you have your own. But his master replied, what wicked, means fool and lazy slave, you know, did you that I reap when I did not sow and gather when I did not scatter? Then you ought to have invested my money with the bankers, and on my return I would have received what was my own with the interest. So take the talent from him and give it to the one with the 10 talents. For to all those who have more will be given, and they will have abundance. But from those who have nothing, even what they have will be taken away. So here, the last slave The last slave was very lazy. So what he did? He digged that amount into the ground, and when the master asked what he did, he paid him the what he gave. So, and he told that master, I know that if I invest this money, if I use that money, you will be very rude to me, you will be very harsh to me. So what I did, instead of investing, what I have done, I have repaid what you have given, what you have given to me. So I have done the best work. So what the master said, no fool, you would have invested in other way, where you would have got money, So what even he told that, so when you sow the seed, so you have to reap that seed also, you have to take out that seed also. So before sowing only, so what the master was telling, before sowing only, how can you expect to the seeds will come out? So you are a wicked, you are very fool, you are a fool slave. So what? He took that bag of amount, he took that talent, and he gave that talent to whom? To the first slave who had made 10 bags. So he told, the master told, to invest this money in the trade and get me back my interest with amount. So here the master was very angry. The master was very angry with the third slave, and he told, those who don't do any work in my way, so they are not rewarded. So these two were rewarded. And they were given what? Charges also. They were given in charges of many works also, but this slave had been removed from his job. So what is the moral of this story is that, so you have to use your talent, you have to use your mind in certain ways. When you use your mind, so there is the way for every for every problem there is a solution. So the master, with the trust, he has given the amount. The slave would have invested that money, and he would have given doubled that money for the for the master, but he did not do, because he was a fool, because he was a wicked slave. So instead of that, he was afraid, and he gave back his own talent of money, and in this way the slave was treated by the master very badly, and he took out from the job also. Did you understand, children? So this I told you this lesson they have picked out from the Bible. So here you can see new the standard version, revised standard version Bible copyright. That is 1989, the Division of Christian Education of National Council of the Churches of Christ in the United States of America, used by permission. This is by thought they have taken the permission, and they have taken from the Bible, picked out from the Bible, and they have copied this. Okay, children, how was the lesson? So you can see the first slave was very intelligent, and the second slave was also very intelligent, but the third slave was a wicked man. No, children? So this was very interesting lesson. So we have learned many things from this lesson also. So you have some hard words also. Talent means ability. So here talent means ability. Hence a talent is worth more than the wages of labor for 15 years. So here talent is not only the money, but it is also the ability. How you are serving your master. Entrust, to trust to the care of. Entrusting, how you can trust. So you can see here the master gave the bags of talent to the trustworthy slaves. So he had trust on him, so he gave the money. So that is trust. Slave, a person whose labor and life is subject to owner's will. So here, who was the slave here? These three slaves were the slaves who were working under the owners, Next, trustworthy, that is deserving of trust. Means I told you who has a trustworthy slaves. These two, according to the master, these two were the trustworthy slaves. Next we have wicked. Wicked means fool. You can tell evil or mischievous by nature. He was very fool, or he did not have any such cleverness. That is first slave or the second slave. He was very wicked slave. Understood, children? Okay, next you have some hard words here. So here first one is summoned. S-U-M-M-O-N-E-D. Summoned. S-U-M-M-O-N-E-D. Summoned. Next, entrusted. E-N-T-R-U-S-T-E-D. Entrusted. E-N-T-R-U-S-T-E-D. Entrusted. Talents. T-A-L-E-N-T-S. Talents. T-A-L-E-N-T-S. Talents. Next, trustworthy. T-R-U-S-T. Trustworthy. W. It is W. W-O-R-T-H-Y. Trustworthy. T-R-U-S-T. Trust. W-O-R-T-H-Y. Worthy. Next, gathering. G-A-T-H-E-R-I-N-G. Gathering. G-A-T-H-E-R-I-N-G. Gathering. Next, interest. I-N-T-E-R-E-S-T. Interest. I-N-T-E-R-E-S-T. Interest. Next, reaping. R-E-A-P-I-N-G. Reaping. R-E-A-P-I-N-G. Reaping. Eighth one, abundance. A-B-U-N-D-A-N-C-E. Abundance. A-B-U-N-D-A-N-C-E. Abundance. So I have done the lesson for you children. So I hope so you have understood also. So why do we give you hard words? To write in your homework. So what you have to do? You have to write this hard words 5 times each in your homework book. Please see this video and read the lesson also. And you have to read the lesson also. And through the WhatsApp group, I will be sending you the notes. Thank you children.